I got to know the Lord in 1991. I was a college student then. Being a product of a broken home, I was desperately seeking for love and attention. And I was also finding a role model, someone I could look up to. And Jesus found me. After that, life has never been the same. I knew God had great plans for me and my family. And while we were attending New Life, I knew God was revealing to me what He wanted to do for my life. When I heard Pastor Paul preach about audacious faith, I know my time had come. I must serve the Lord. And I know that all it takes for me is to have faith in Him and believe, and everything will follow. So I asked God where He would want to take me, and He first led me to Victorious Women. I began attending every Tuesday, and all the more revelation after revelation came. God loved me so much, and He really wants me to be in His kingdom. But attending Tuesdays is not enough. I felt I really had to do more things for God because I love Him. So as an expression of my love, I asked the Lord if I may join New Life Music. And He said yes. So I told God, I will show up, you fix my voice. And I believe He did. So God has done great things in my life. I have a wonderful family, 2 jobs, and I'm enjoying Victorious Women and New Life Music. I know I'm in the center of God's will, and He's doing mighty exploits through me. I thank God for awakening me and showing me how great His love is, and allowing me to show that same love to other people.